how not to screw up this crypto bull run. Let me share a strategy change that I'm currently going into a different strategy mode for our Crawlo Invest Club. Also for just general trading and also what we're doing in Crawlo Capital, etc., etc. So let me explain how to not screw this opportunity up and how we are approaching this right now, because I'm seeing that a lot of people in social media, they're posting that, oh yeah, better take profits. And then people, when there is slightest correction, they start screaming and being worried, and then they, thought maybe I should have gotten out. Let me show you a couple of things in this video, and you will learn exactly what to do and how to do it properly in order to really maximize your return in this bull run. So, therefore, let's just get into it. I'm a little bit sick, so therefore not in the office today, but just having this kind of an office is also fine. So that is for today, but I needed to keep you guys posted because I see the sentiment change in the market and retail starts to speak up, because retail is actually coming in. So all you need to understand now is when you're looking at the price chart, first suggestion, it might not look very great and a lot of people might start to get worried, but in these instances, like right now, always zoom out and you will actually see exactly where we're standing. Ethereum wise, I think it's a no-brainer that we are barely scratching the surface of the up move of this bull run. Barely. And even historically, we're going into this Christmas Santa rally, which should start probably within a week, maybe a week and a half. And this is what it looks like, the formation itself. So we are barely breaking out towards our target. So I think that in the next 2 weeks, maximum, I don't know, not even 2 weeks, maybe 10 days, the actual parabolic moves will start. Because there is no reason not to, unless we see some stupid black swan event again for some reason somewhere. It's always a possibility. But overall, if everything stays the way it is just gonna keep pumping. And when you go to the chart, it's gonna happen so fast that you're not used to it, that usually it was very slow and you're getting into it and getting burned. Now it's gonna be just a fucking train. So if you don't wanna miss this train, understand the following. So when you're analyzing the chart, you understand, okay, we have a breakout and now possibly we're gonna have a retest. Where is all of the liquidity? Most of the liquidity here is going to be standing in this zone right here. And this is actually the zone where I'm going to be adding to my Ethereum long if we come down to here. So it's like 3,670 all the way to 3,800. So 36.5, 3,800, this window is where I want to add to my Ethereum long that I have over on Bybit. I'll also show my meme coin trades. I'm going to give you an update on that as well here, but this would be my main area of interest. And one of the main important points here is that we're gonna keep moving like this. Look, we move up, down, maybe we'll consolidate a little bit here and then continue to the upside. What I'm trying to say here is that the corrections will be within the range of 10%, 20%, 25%, and then it's gonna be only short trap, like bear trap into the parabolic, like this crazy up move type of parabolic. Whatever. So, so this is exactly where we're heading right now. So considering to short or considering to exit out of your trades, and by the way, guys, remember that I'm personally trading over on Bybit, and with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can actually claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. But the craziest part here about Bybit is that with my link, you can actually claim up to 42% discount on trading fees, which I think is even more important than the deposit bonus, because the trading fee discount stays with you. So use my link down in the description of this video, sign up, get exclusive bonuses, and even if you already have an account with Bybit, you can create a new one with a different form of identification for KYC, such as a driver's license, for example. Okay, so now we spoke about Ethereum, and I just kind of unveiled exactly what I'm saying right now in terms of continuation of the price move. But let me also show you a couple of the news, and also I'll show you how to look at the news narrative and how to understand exactly when to exit. So also the trades that we have here on Femex, these meme coin trades, look, Turbo is the best one performing yet. Wow, nice. We also have other ones. So we have, move this down. So we have quite a few trades here. We still have SPX not doing so well. So Turbo is doing well. A couple of other ones. But, I was looking at them. We still have a nice P&L. I started this account with 70,000. Now it's like 90K a week ago. So I was thinking that, instead of even if we're going to have a bigger correction underneath, because all of these probably will kind of suffer if Ethereum does go down to this zone right here, But seeing what kind of price support there is for ETH right now, and especially considering that right now is the nighttime in America, so it's Sunday night, and usually they have possibly early Monday morning manipulations and then the continuation. So a trade, even if they squeeze ETH to like down to 3,700, damn, I'm going to be adding probably like $500,000 to my Ethereum long trade. And also consider adding to these trades right here on these memes that I have on Femex. And also, guys, remember that on Femex, you can also claim very good bonuses that you can find down in the description of this video. It's actually $8,800 in welcome rewards that you can use to your advantage. And Femex is great with quite a few technical things, but what I like about it is that they have this order where you can simultaneously place orders for shorting as well as longing, and whichever order is being executed, so whichever direction the breakout is happening in, the order will be taken. So in other exchanges it's not available. And you can also claim up to $500 in cash back from your first deposit. If you use my link to Femex, you'll be able to claim up to $500 cash back on your initial deposit, but that's available to you until the end of December, so go use it and jump into trading with Femex as well. So before I give you this understanding of the narrative and my conclusion here as to how not to screw up this bull run, let me show you the narrative that you need to understand. Here is an example of the news. Amazon is actually, no, this is the first one right here. The next 2 weeks will be insane for Bitcoin. I can confirm that I'm aware of the at least 3 huge announcements coming. And also Amazon should build a strategic Bitcoin reserve by allowing shoppers to pay in Bitcoin. So what is this? This is FOMO. Institutions, corporations, governments, etc., are starting to FOMO in. There's no negativity. It's all just FOMO. It's all just euphoria. And also you can see this here, that tomorrow morning we will find out which public companies were buying Bitcoin last week. And there are more and more public companies. The tide wave of capital is coming in. So shorting right now is like, okay, even if you make some money, you're winning a lottery. It is not an asymmetrical bet, but building long trades is instead. So, and if you look at Ethereum, for example, Ethereum sentiment at new high for the year, so really it's breaking out. The old season is starting now. And if you go to the daily chart in Ethereum, the last point before I make my conclusion here for this video, if you go back in history to the election year of 2020, and you look at the Christmas Santa rally and you pay attention to how the up move actually began and how it progressed, you'll be astonished to see one interesting fact. So here is 2020. Here is basically, where is it? July. Oh, that's just the wrong one. So right here. We are basically in October, November, where is it? December. So right here, we are standing right here. Literally, before what? Before this kind of a move. And oftentimes, you know, and this is the biggest lesson of this video, so this is why subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Crawler Invest Club if you want to have an opportunity to absolutely copy trade me and what we do inside of our closed community, and also learn how to trade. A very exclusive club that is aiming to make at least 10x in this bull run, and you can do so by just clicking one button, copy. That's it, only available to our members, link in the description of this video. Most important lesson here for everyone to understand and pay attention to. When you're seeing some kind of an up move, especially after the bear market, even a move like this might seem pretty crazy. You know, Ethereum going through from $260 to $500. And this is maybe like where we are standing at right now, you know, this up move. And a lot of people are saying, oh, you should take profits. This is the time, you know, just be careful, don't be greedy, whatever bullshit. But then you see another nice up move and people are getting a bit more euphoric. And then this happens. Finally, a big move like this. In my opinion, we didn't really see this big move yet. I think it will come in the next weeks, months at the most. And you know what is the craziest part about all of this? And this is the cherry on top of this video here. And I hope you guys appreciate it. So if you do, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below for the algorithms so more people see this content. But if you want to just consume it egoistically, so be it. Anyway, craziest lesson that I've learned personally through trading at the right time in the market. And right now is the right time. So you look at this up move, you think, oh, crazy, you got to take profits. You see this move, my God, this is the peak of the bull run. And this is where a lot of people actually exit just to see this kind of momentum and this kind of momentum, and then boom. And then finally the real peak comes in, the actual real one. So that was basically in May. So This is where we are standing at right now. Zoom out. When you see a pump, you see a profit, you're happy about it. Like, for example, I have a profit of $17,000 here on Turbo. Should I take the profit? It looks like it's the all-time high or whatever. It can keep pumping and pumping and pumping. And one of the best things you can do now is just, if you don't trade futures, get into Crowell Invest Club, see the list of spot we're holding, just buy it, and then in 6 months come back, you'll make money. Not financial advice, not guaranteed, obviously. Anything can happen, but this is our expectation. So stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.